The best way to describe what to do in your immediate outdoor area is that common sense rules. Remember that the outdoor insect spray is a natural product. It will not stain surfaces, harm plants, flowers, and other foliage. When you think of how to perform the outdoor treatment, think of it as applying multiple barriers around your residence. There are 3 main barriers of coverage surrounding your property. Pests crawl along the exterior base edges of your residence, trying to find food and shelter. This is your first barrier of protection you need to address. Start at your front entrance. Slowly pace yourself and evenly spray all the way around the base foundation of your residence in a clockwise direction until you get back to the same front entrance again. This completes your first barrier of protection. The second barrier you need to address is any main walkways, grass, gravel, wood or concrete decks, carport, shed or garage concrete, or any other hard surface that extends out and is connected to the residence. Evenly spray all accessible areas and don't hesitate to saturate any soil areas. The third barrier is the area lot line surrounding your property. Evenly spray any fencing surrounding your property with special attention to cracks and crevices of the block or wood fencing. Pests crawl all over these areas and love to harbor inside block or wood fencing if left undisturbed. Once these 3 main barriers of coverage are addressed, spray evenly on any other areas of your property that need special attention, like barbecue and patio areas, lawn furniture, exterior storage areas, etc. There you have it. You're now done with the treatment and ready to enjoy your outdoor area. And all those bugs are not invited.